Hi, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. I'm here to show a little trick that I learned from Dawn, Miss America, because we all been following Bima's Crafty Corners little golden book tutorials. This isn't the first golden book I've made. Like, I made one, a jungle book. Matter of fact, I found my video and I reposted it in Tina's Crafty Life and Friends if you want to check that video out. But I have improved. I've actually made about 6 of these. The one thing I never did is save the spine of the golden book itself. I always cut it and added my own. So on mine, the one I did for else, I saved this. I wasn't covering it. So, and I didn't push out the staples. Well, then last night talking to Dawn, she's like, I wonder if you heat it, if it comes off. So the first thing we're going to do, and this is something I always forget, so I'm going to start off opening the book, and I'm going to number my pages, because I have a tendency not to remember that. So we're going to do that real quick, and then I'm going to show you how I break my books, or I pages out, and then I'll show you the other trick I discovered. So we're going to, I number every page. It's less confusing than going every other one. And I just put the number in the corner and go back and erase them, or I end up forgetting about them and I end up covering them with something anyways. So what I do, I open the book and I bring it up and I kind of find the middle of the book. That looks pretty good. And I start at the top and I go like that. I just work it. I go back and forth. And eventually, I do the middle. I just keep working. And you'll hear, like, see the staples are showing there? So let's work this one up a little bit more here. Oh, there we go. Heard the pop. You'll hear like a pop. Boom. There we go. Then I just kind of pick some paper and straighten these up a little bit. It helps. And I just will take the pages out. Oh, this one's tore. Look at that. Not a problem. I'll show you how to fix that. So, take the pages out. And sometimes they take them one out at a time. Sometimes they take a few out at a time. So there's that one signature. Here's another signature. Oh my lord, this one's a tough one. Okay, just aside. Okay, now we have this coming up. All it is let go. Just take a little glue. Press that down. Take the next little glue. Press that down. And if you want, you can tape it too. A little further on mine. Okay. Press it down. Let that sit for a bit. pages. I'll put them in order later. Press it down. Good as new. Now we got the staples. And I see everybody poking them through. I cut mine on the pets. I cut mine and I left them in until I was talking to Dawn. And Dawn's like, wonder. And this is where this was brilliant. Because I want to save the spine. I want to save this. I don't want it to ruin that. So, that's where your heat gun comes in. Heat it up. And you heat. Give a good heat. One spot. Start in one spot. And then just take your fingernail and work it. Nope, not heated enough. It can take a few minutes. You can go on the inside as well, a little bit. And test the boundaries. There we go. Then take it. Once I get going, it's fairly easy. Don't force it. It's a big deal. Do not force it. There's your spine. There's that piece of gold, which the Golden Book is famous for. But that's his side. Then you have the staples in here. All I usually do is take my fingernail. Sometimes it works. But put a little folder here. Take your staple out. Oh, a little bugger. There we go. Here's your staples. Put your book back like this. Peel that off. Get some double-sided tape. You see where the stickiness is on this. That's where you want to put your double-sided tape. Line her up. Trim it off. Don't lose your gold piece. Hard to believe that's all that holds this book together is that little sticker. And some staples, eh? Okay. I'm going to press this down. Make sure it gets really good on that book. There we go. Now I'll peel this tape up. Okay. I take a little glue as well. I just go down the center of my tape. Get my little gold book piece back. Make sure you got it in the right direction. If there's any tears, this is a good time to like fix that. Don't see any on this. And then I just kind of line her up. And I'll press it down. Take the next one, do the same and make sure your books are lined up really good. And then you could go this way now. And get that space. Looks good there. Bring it up below. Press it down. And around. Good. Smoothing. And you go like this. Looks good. And then you open it. Still have the space that the book needed to have. Look at the beginning. And you didn't tear the gold pushing the staples through. And you just give it a few moments to dry, and you can build your book. I just thought I'd share that little tidbit with you. Now stick this all in there. And of course, you continue with building the rest of the book. Thought I'd just share that little tidbit. Thanks, Don, for the idea, because I tell you, I'd rather do that than struggle with a staple and cut and try to get the staple out. It's just easier to bring the label up with a little heat gun and re-glue it down. And like that piece that, like here, where it ripped, boom, you can't even tell. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.